Hello everyone, I am Advika of class 4A. On the occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to speak about my teacher Bala ma'am. Bala ma'am has been guiding me for the past 4 years, and today my creativity and perfection is only because of her valuable feedbacks. The videos shared by her in her creative tone and sweet voice are so informative that I am always keeping them as a reference even after months the chapter or poem has been taught. She has a unique way of teaching that helps me learn any difficult chapter or poem. My enthusiasm of learning further increased when I saw Bala ma'am upload my videos in YouTube. Thank you very much Bala ma'am, and wishing you a happy Teachers Day.
Hi everyone, I am Charvika of class 4A. I take this wonderful opportunity to speak about my respected teachers. Our teachers are always very kind and supporting to us. They are our role models and we learn lot of things from them. They put lot of effects to make us understanding the concept. During this lockdown period, they keep the children in good shape and in good mind. Our teachers gave interesting activities so that we can understand the lesson easily. They create real classroom so that we all feel the real school atmosphere. Once again, we thank our beloved teachers for their efforts and we wish a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
I am Vaibhav Saravanan from class 4A and I am going to give a little speech on Teachers Day celebration. Our teachers, our heroes. Dear teachers, these last few months have been an incredible journey, from going into lockdown to engaging in a completely new online learning platform. It has been quite confusing for us all, but our teachers have been with us every step of the way, making this journey one to remember. They helped us to take off into a new space filled with many possibilities for us to make use of. We were able to realize the importance of looking at the bright side. Our teachers tried to cope and catch up with today's technology and stepped forward and helped us get back on track. They always try out new websites, activities and ideas to make things easier and more creative. Although they cannot give individual attention to everyone, they make sure to clean up our doubts. So all in all, we can say that our teachers have taken lots of efforts and pain to make this an enjoyable experience for us all. Thank you and happy Teachers Day to my wonderful teachers.
Good morning. I made a greeting card and this is a plant and it's having a blue bud. This plant is going to grow in a few seconds. The plant haven't grown, and happy Teachers Day. Good morning to everyone and my beloved teachers and friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. We are celebrating Teachers Day on 5th September every year. A day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us give all the teachers with a big round of applause. Our teachers are giving full efforts with the class interactions during pandemic time. We are able to manage well in our studies through online classes, explanation through videos and assignments in Google Classroom app of our school. I am thankful to our class teachers Bala Joy ma'am, Rukmani ma'am, Patak sir and Music Meenakshi ma'am, and also our headmaster ma'am and our respective principal ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Hello everyone, I am Yashwant of class 4A. Now I am going to talk about Teachers' Day. Teaching is a very noble profession. To be good is noble, but to teach how to be good is nobler. Teachers are the backbone of the society. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, our first Vice President, second President of India, was born on 5th September 1888. He was an outstanding teacher, scholar, philosopher and politician. He taught at various colleges in many universities, both in India and abroad. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954. He dedicated his life towards education and the youth of the country. He himself said once, instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if it is observed as Teachers' Day. This day is being celebrated every year on 5th September since 1962. It is a mark of tribute to the contributions made by the teachers to the society. In current situations, teachers have to handle many challenges along with the pandemic, adapting to new technologies that they may not have used before. Teaching children without meeting them in person while also maintaining the same high quality of education. Keeping the children engaged in subject-related activities and also keeping them active at home. Bearing with all these things, teachers help students in their studies without time getting wasted in this pandemic period. Their sacrifice should not go waste. We should cooperate with them and show gratitude to our teachers. They mold us into worthy people to face the world boldly. A teacher is the light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good morning to all my teachers and my dear friends. Now I am going to show my greeting card. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Now I am going to talk about our teacher, our heroes, the light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year, a day kept aside on honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that future is bright for all of us. I thank all our teachers in this wonderful occasion, and I convey my wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Teachers are the backbone of our society. There is a saying that teachers are greater than parents. Parents give birth to a child
Where is a teacher's mold that child personality and provide a bright future. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Obright of class 4A. Today is a very special day, a day to thank and honor our beloved teachers. The day is celebrated every year on September 5th to honor all the teachers in India. Thank you dear teacher for making the class fun and exciting. We learned so many new ideas from you. Thank you for making us grow. You are the only person who did not get jealous of a person who grows more than you knowledge. Happy Teachers Day to my lovely teachers and our beloved principal. Thank you.